This video is about how to install the 9-box in Matrix Maker add-on in Google Sheets. It's easiest just to start in Google Sheets and then come up to the extensions menu. From there you can go to add-ons and then get add-ons. This will bring you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, and then you can search for it from there. Here's the result. You'll see it's from Sheets Help, 9-box Matrix Maker, and that's the right add-ons. And we'll click continue, and then it needs to ask for some permissions in order to operate. So we'll click on that, and the permissions that it needs is so that it's able to read your calendar, read the Google Sheet that you're using, and keep track of your email address so it knows if you're a registered user. And the add-on is installed now. And you'll notice that the icon comes up in your side panel here. So if you don't see this side panel, come down to the lower right hand corner of your browser and left click on this toggle. That will show it and hide it. And now you see the icon, click on it and it opens the sidebar. And so you're all installed. In this next video, we'll talk about how to use it.